The biggest shop of Romania we can find here all Indian foods and vegetables, other thing whatever you want, and it's not expensive as well. Wow, I like here. You can find everything whatever you want here. Wow. It's raining little bit. It's a huge market. It's not a market, it's a huge. Oh my god, I can't believe it's raining and they are selling. It's so big, my god. Let me see somewhere. I wanna buy something. रोमानिया की सबसे बड़ी मार्केट देखते हैं उसको क्या थे। इधर मैं एंट्री करता हूँ क्योंकि मेरे को कुछ अच्छा खरीदना है, तो मैं यहाँ से, ये है एंट्री गेट। ओह माय गॉड, एवरीथिंग इज हियर। You can find everything here whatever you want, so let me see and check what I have to buy. Wow, it's so nice, really. Everywhere is here. So मेरे को क्या खरीदना है, मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या खरीदूं। Oh my god, it's so huge. Let me see if there is something Indian like paneer. So I'm searching of paneer. If I think I can't find what I saw. Let me check somewhere. Wow, here is everything. And really मेरे को मजा आ गया इधर। इधर सब कुछ है बाबा, सब कुछ। My God, I never thought about it that I can find everything here. It's a huge market. Okay.